Listen up, you might think your lunch is harmless, maybe even the highlight of your workday, but what if I told you that your midday meal is secretly expanding your waistline? That's right, lunch could be the silent culprit behind those stubborn pounds. I'm David, and today, we're exposing what's really happening at lunch. If you're exhausted by slow, sneaky weight gain, this is where the problem starts. Most of us overlook lunch, but get it wrong, and you set yourself up for cravings, fatigue, and a sluggish metabolism. Let's turn your lunch from a weight gain trap into a fat-burning powerhouse, one delicious meal at a time. Let's be honest, lunch is supposed to be a break in your day, a chance to refuel, recharge, and get ready to tackle the afternoon. But for most of us, it's more like a pit stop where we grab whatever's fastest, easiest, or most tempting. Most of us grab what's quick: sandwiches, chips, creamy pasta, or a fast food burger and fries. These are the classics, the go-tos, the comfort foods we've grown up with. They're everywhere, from office cafeterias to corner stores, and they're hard to resist when you're hungry and short on time. And don't forget that iced caramel latte or healthy grain bowl drowning in dressing. Sometimes, we even convince ourselves we're making a better choice, but those sneaky extras add up fast. These meals are loaded with hidden calories and low in protein and fiber. The labels might look innocent, but the numbers tell a different story, especially when you add up sauces, dressings, and sides. They fill you up for an hour, then leave you ravenous, craving sweets or another caffeine hit. It's a vicious cycle. You eat, you crash, you snack, and the cycle repeats day after day. You end up snacking all afternoon, feeling tired and wondering why you're not seeing results. That afternoon slump isn't just in your head, it's your body reacting to what you ate for lunch. Sandwiches with thick bread, processed meats, and cheese. Calorie bombs, high in sodium and blood sugar spikes. Chips? Pure empty calories. These foods might taste great, but they're not doing your body any favors. Creamy pasta? Comforting, but a fat trap. All that cream and cheese adds up to a meal that's heavy on calories and light on nutrients. Fast food burgers? Hundreds of calories, mostly from fats and sugars. They might satisfy your cravings for a moment, but they leave you sluggish and hungry for more. Takeout bowls, marketed as healthy, but often loaded with sweet sauces and fried toppings. What looks like a nutritious choice can actually be a calorie bomb in disguise. One quick lunch can hit 1,000 calories and still leave you unsatisfied. You might finish your meal and still feel like something's missing. Iced coffees or bubble teas? Sugar City. These drinks can pack as much sugar as a dessert, and they do nothing to keep you full. It's not just about calories. It's about what those calories do to your hunger, energy, and fat burning. The wrong lunch can sabotage your whole afternoon, making it harder to focus, move, or even stay awake. Quick carbs and sugars spike your blood sugar, then drop it, making you tired and more likely to snack. This roller coaster isn't just uncomfortable, it can actually slow your metabolism and make weight loss harder. Even salads can be a trap. Fried chicken, creamy dressings, croutons, and your healthy intentions get drowned in fat and sugar. It's easy to think you're making a smart choice, but toppings and dressings can turn a salad into a calorie bomb. It's not about eating less. It's about eating smart. Choosing foods that keep you full, energized, and satisfied for hours, not just minutes. If you're nodding along, you're not alone. So many people struggle with these same lunch mistakes, and it's not your fault. Food marketing and busy schedules make it tough. The good news? With a few simple swaps, you can turn lunch into your best weight loss tool. Let's break the cycle. Smarter choices start now. Your next lunch can be the one that fuels your goals, keeps you satisfied, and helps you feel your best all afternoon. Let's get cooking. Today, we're making a meal that's not just delicious but also energizing and satisfying, perfect for busy days when you want to eat well and feel great. Imagine swapping that heavy, creamy pasta or that oversized sandwich for something that actually keeps you full, fuels your afternoon, and doesn't leave you feeling sluggish or weighed down. Meet the grilled lemon chicken power bowl, a meal that's as vibrant as it is nourishing. This isn't a sad salad. It's a powerhouse of lean protein, fresh veggies, and bold flavors that wake up your taste buds and leave you feeling truly satisfied. Start with boneless, skinless chicken breast, the ultimate blank canvas for flavor and nutrition. Marinate your chicken in a simple blend of olive oil, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, and a mix of your favorite herbs. This quick marinade infuses the chicken with brightness and depth, making every bite juicy and flavorful. Grill the chicken until it's beautifully charred on the outside and perfectly juicy inside. Those grill marks mean extra flavor. Protein is the star here. It keeps you full, helps build and repair muscle, and even helps torch fat long after you've finished eating. It's the secret to staying energized and satisfied. Now, build your bowl. Start with a generous base of greens, spinach, kale, arugula, or a mix. These leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your health from the inside out. Add roasted sweet potatoes for slow-burning, complex carbs. They provide natural sweetness, fiber, and a boost of energy that lasts for hours. Toss in cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and hearty chickpeas for extra fiber, crunch, and plant-based protein. These veggies add color, texture, and a ton of nutrients. Top your bowl with slices of grilled chicken, a sprinkle of tangy feta cheese, and a fresh squeeze of lemon to brighten everything up. Drizzle with a homemade vinaigrette, just olive oil, vinegar, Dijon mustard, and herbs. It's light, zesty, and ties all the flavors together without overpowering them. Skip the creamy dressings loaded with sugar and additives. Your body and your taste buds deserve better. With this bowl, you control the flavor, the ingredients, and the calories. It's all about balance and making choices that work for you. This meal is high in protein, moderate in healthy carbs, and loaded with fiber, everything you need for steady energy and a happy gut. It keeps you fuller, longer, and stabilizes your energy. No more 3 p.m. crashes or desperate snack runs. Your metabolism stays fired up and your body burns fat, not hoards it. You'll feel lighter, more focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes next. The lemon, the char, the crispy, sweet potatoes. It's a flavor bomb in every bite, making healthy eating something you'll actually crave. Make a batch on Sunday, and you've got lunches sorted for the week. It's meal prep made easy, and you'll save time and money. Customize it. Swap chicken for shrimp, steak, or tofu. You can even change up the veggies or grains to keep things interesting. Add nuts or seeds for crunch and healthy fats. Think almonds, pumpkin seeds, or walnuts for extra nutrition and texture. This is real food, not diet food. It's about nourishing your body, enjoying your meals, and feeling your best every day. Your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. It can be vibrant, flavorful, and deeply satisfying. So next time you're tempted by creamy pasta or an oversized sandwich, remember this power bowl. It's the smarter, tastier choice that will leave you feeling amazing. Missing your creamy pasta or cheesy lasagna? We all crave those classic comfort foods, rich, creamy, and oh so satisfying. But what if you could enjoy that same cozy feeling without the heaviness or guilt? Here's a swap that's clean, light, and outrageously satisfying. It's a dish that delivers all the flavor and comfort you want, but with a fresh, healthy twist that leaves you feeling energized. Enter the garlic turkey zucchini skillet, a one-pan wonder that's about to become your new weeknight favorite. Start with lean ground turkey, browned in olive oil with loads of garlic and a pinch of red pepper flakes. The turkey soaks up all those savory flavors, while the garlic adds a punch that makes every bite irresistible. Instead of noodles, use zucchini, spiralized for a pasta-like feel, or cut into half moons for a heartier bite. Zucchini is low in carbs, high in nutrients, and brings a fresh, slightly sweet flavor to the dish. Toss the zucchini into the skillet with the turkey, letting it soften just enough to stay crisp. This keeps the texture lively and prevents the dish from getting soggy. Add cherry tomatoes for a burst of juiciness, fresh basil for a fragrant lift, and a splash of chicken broth to bring everything together. The tomatoes break down slightly, creating a light sauce that coats every strand of zucchini. Let everything simmer so the flavors meld. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it hard to wait for dinner. Finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan, just enough for richness. The cheese melts into the sauce, adding a creamy finish without any heavy cream. You get lean protein, fiber, and vitamins. No heavy cream, no bloating. It's a meal that nourishes your body and satisfies your cravings. It's filling, but you won't need a nap after. You'll feel light, energized, and ready to take on the rest of your day. Perfect for taking to work in a container. It's meal prep friendly, so you can make a big batch and enjoy healthy lunches all week. Heats up beautifully, and the flavors get even better the next day. The garlic and basil deepen, making leftovers something to look forward to. If you think eating healthy means giving up flavor and comfort, this skillet will prove you wrong. Every bite is packed with taste, color, and satisfaction. It's hearty, warming, and feels like a treat. Even though it's secretly working for your waistline, you'll be amazed at how much you enjoy eating this way. Swapping traditional pasta for zucchini saves hundreds of calories. You get all the comfort, with none of the carb crash. You'll still feel like you're indulging. The flavors are bold, the textures are satisfying, and you won't miss the pasta at all. Ditch the creamy pasta for this skillet. It's a simple change that makes a big difference in how you feel. Your body, and your taste buds, will thank you. Give this garlic turkey zucchini skillet a try, and discover just how delicious healthy eating can be. Craving something hearty and satisfying? Let's talk lean steak lettuce wraps. Start with flank steak, lean, tender, and perfect for quick cooking. Slice thin, marinate with soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and lime. Sear in a hot pan for that caramelized crust. Use crisp lettuce leaves instead of a bun. Lay down steak, top with shredded carrots, red peppers, green onions, and cilantro. Add a spicy yogurt sauce, Greek yogurt, lime, hot sauce, and a pinch of salt. These wraps are all about balance. Lean protein, crunchy veggies, and bold flavors. Filling, but light. No afternoon slump, no guilt. Prep in advance, assemble at work, and enjoy. Compared to fast food, these wraps are lower in calories, higher in protein, and help you burn fat. Swap steak for chicken, shrimp, or tofu for variety. You control every ingredient. Next time you're eyeing the drive-thru, remember, bold flavor, convenience, and a leaner body, all in one package. Let's tackle those sugary drinks and sweet snacks that creep into your afternoon. Try a Greek yogurt protein bowl instead. Start with plain Greek yogurt, none of that sugar-packed stuff. Add a scoop of protein powder, mix until creamy, top with fresh berries, chia seeds, and a handful of almonds or walnuts. Need sweetness? Use a drizzle of honey or a few drops of stevia. This bowl is high in protein, low in sugar, and packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. It's the perfect swap for that afternoon latte or pastry. Easy to prep in advance, just pack it in a jar or container. Endlessly customizable, always delicious, and better than anything from a coffee shop. Next time you're tempted by a sugary treat, remember, you've got a smarter option. You don't need extreme diets, just smarter meals. Fix your lunch, and your body will follow. The right midday meal transforms your energy, hunger, and results without deprivation. Every swap is a step toward the body and lifestyle you want. If you're a busy professional trying to lose weight, subscribe to SlimSync. We make weight loss simple, delicious, and doable, even on your busiest days. Try these recipes, make them your own, and watch your body and confidence change. See you in the next video.